What's good? I'm Trevor. This is Trevor Tries It at State Tech. With me is Logan with the Civil Engineering Technology program.
Got it.
I love it when I get it right. Okay, so this is Trevor Tries It. I'm about to do something that the students here at State Tech know how to do, learn how to do, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So Logan, what am I trying today?
Today, what we are gonna do is we're gonna do a preliminary site inspection of the new entrance here at State Tech.
The new entrance. I saw the new entrance actually on the way in. Yeah, I noticed the sign is not there and there's a trailer there right now. So, okay, all right.
So something that we do with our students in the first year is mapping with drones. So today we're gonna utilize a drone to map out the entrance of State Tech.
I get to fly a drone.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I've actually never done that, so I'm actually really excited. Okay, all right. How expensive is it? And if I crash it, do I have to pay for it?
We'll take care of you.
Let's do this. Oh yeah. All right, so first things first, I need to get to the drone. So I assume this is how I'm gonna pilot it on an iPad. That's kind of cool. All right. If I can't unlock the box, this is gonna be the shortest episode of Trevor Tries It ever. We did it. Okay. All right. All right. Now it's the awkwardness of now we're dealing with something that's potentially expensive. Ish. Just barely. Like it was made for it. Okay. All right. Now, how do I unlock it? All right. I assume we probably have to take it out of the box. Oh, geez. I got to put it together. There's no propellers on it. Oh, my gosh. All right. If I'm going to do something to break it, you stop me, Logan. All right. So it says to lock it, kind of like spin it. All right, well that didn't work. Okay. Maybe the other one, this one. Yes, yes, no, God dang it. All right. That's on there. Look at that. Okay. 3 more times with feeling. Okay, all right. That feels good. That feels good. All right. I assume there's an application. DJI Fly? DJI. Yeah, buddy. Okay, this feels good. Everybody back up, just in case. I don't know what's gonna happen. Make sure your mobile device has an internet connection. If I have to call AT&T, this is gonna be a tough Trevor Tries It. Press once, hold second time. All right. Press once, hold second time. Okay. 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 Flight mode. Opti. I don't know if that stands for optional or optimal. I'm not sure. If I just start it, you think it'll work? I may have taken your picture, Steve. I'm sorry. May have taken your picture without your consent. That's on me.
To take off, you're actually going to need to pull both sticks in and together.
In and together. Okay,
Yep.
All right. So in and together. Down
Yep.
and together. Okay, all right. All right, so that's now we're on. Now it's figure it out from here and, oh yeah. All right, Steve, I care about you and your face, so just be mindful. All right, we are airborne. So now we need to survey the area, so I assume I need to fly it over to the entrance, which feels like that's a long way away. That's all the way over there. All right, we're gonna go up higher. Now, all right, so we're flying toward the entrance. I see now the information technology building. Oh wait, I might be going too far. Oh goodness. Okay, all right, oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, send that over. All right, I feel good. I feel like we did it. I feel like we have what we need for the mapping purposes of this. Permission to do a flyby. Can we do a flyby by, welding or something? Is there a button to land or just drop it? Just drop it. Just send it down. All right. Oh yeah. Let's scoot her up. Nope. Okay, so now I'm at the awkward spot of I don't know how to shut it off.
All the way down. Keep holding it down.
Holding it down.
Yep. Great job.
Smooth. Well, Logan, I flew it over there. I took some pictures. I have no idea if I actually did the mapping portion of what needs to happen, but I flew it over there and took some pictures. So I
think you did. I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
You didn't break it.
I didn't break it.
It's all in one piece.
It is still there. Yes.
I do believe Zach's going to show you some tips to do it a little better next time.
That sounds good. Well, let's bring in Zach. Zach, come on over here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Zach,
Yes, sir.
nice to meet you. This is a student here at State Tech. You already have the vest. Do you need the helmet?
No, I'm good.
I would actually feel better with the helmet on, personally.
I think I'm okay.
You're good. Okay, so now, Logan, you're going to show us how this is done. I'm sorry, you're Logan. You're Zach.
So everything you just did, I learned in my first day, basically.
Okay, very good. Okay.
So you're on track.
I'm on track. I'm on pace.
And then we're gonna create a plan.
We're going to create a plan.
Instead of doing it manually.
So everything is going to be automated on this.
Right. So you didn't have to do anything.
That's cool.
Go. Let's say 50 meters, so we don't hit anything.
That's good. I like that.
That was a lot. And we're gonna start mission, and we're gonna kick our feet back.
Okay. All right. And shaboom. All right.
I'm gonna go take a nap for about 10 minutes.
That's cool. Yeah. What do you think? Is it do lunch? All right, Logan. How did I do? What's my letter grade today?
I think you did a good job getting it operating. We got it up in the air.
We did.
Nobody got hurt. But the task today was actually to map the entrance of the state.
Not just taking pictures. So, okay, really briefly, what's the difference between just taking pictures and mapping?
So whenever you map a project, you're actually going to create a 3D model of what's actually existing.
Oh, I did not do that.
So
Okay.
what we're going to do next is probably go through an example of what the students are doing in class.
Okay, all right, very good. Well, then, yeah, we'll go take a look at that. So that's mapping. Good to know. You can learn how to do this. StateTechMo.edu. Thank you to Logan and to Zach. I am Trevor with 96.7 KCMQ. Thank you so much for watching.